Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menhinin gamit ka arpo hundreo tarik rempang arajar arpo saw. Hagapor kumbakhandai si pawa ay. Kaladon gajing pulo ying ha ar koloni. Hagaba arngut kibre kibada sipara. Kila mensaw jor hadin baka ding kabarhem kalapur habaro kawai kaying kabakisa. Katkum gi khubor balayo ulum na kajing yato jong noyalam snong ka ar koloni ubipul sen ulaong. Bahaga por bakidang don haka opes traikam jong kasnong uweu breu ulawan banyat ho bakaladon ka jingplo ying hajan ka community hall kabadon mar persya bat ka mandir. Ia gani ka ying lalong try diki arngut sipara yaki belatip kerteng kumu Sandip Goswami bat Rajdeep Goswami. Panakaliang ginong ilam snong marsen yoi ia gani ka jingjia kila pun wot shiki pulit penlip ding Padru si kipulit ke renjak police station kibalawan ban tem ya kading kabala kelang. Haba persang ban keli ya kadau tenrai jong ke jingplu jong ke ying. Nakaliang usen ulaong bakala bandai na kadau jong ke jingtut haka boarding kabala penlong ya kini ki arngut si para bakin mensau jur na ka jingsya bam haka ding. Sisula ongru bahaga ni ke jingjia uway ni kini ki si para ulakla no ya bala tip kerteng kumu Sandip Goswami sapusan snem kereta.
Jai. Ibu situ dong. Bantu.
Actually, we don't know. We are in the office at about 9:15. One boy came. So he told us that there is fire broke out in the house of Mr. Gaur Goswami. So we ran there. We rushed to the spot. After that, we called fire brigade and police. And immediately they came. They came and they started their work. What we thought that it is from the short circuit. Two people, two brothers.
Are they both brothers?
Two brothers. They are working in the online.
Okay.
Online working. Maybe the company is from the Bangalore.
Okay.
Karnataka.
What is the specific time where the fire starts?
At about 9:15.
9:50.
One person died. The younger brother of that disease. So one person died. Today morning I came to know. No, this is the second time. That person's
Both of them.
is Sandip Goswami. Sandip Goswami.
The one who passed away.
Where?
And the other one?
Other one? Rajdeep Goswami. Age about 45.
Yeah, so do 45.
45.